Thank you all for visiting our channel. Today we are going to read this chapter in Oriya and English both language. Okay, so today we are going to read a new chapter of class 9 in which we will learn how an ordinary man become extraordinary. Okay, whom we learn later come to know as the missile man of India. And we also got him as our 11th president. ओके आज आम पढ़ा जाऊँ क्लास 9 गोटे मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया चैप्टर जो आम देखा कि गोटे साधारण व्यक्ति से किपरि गोटे असाधारण रूप से कार्य करिकी से आमर मिसाइल मैन रूप से परिचित हेले ता सहित आमर 11तम प्रेसिडेंट होते आम इंडिया ठीक अच्छे ना चलो पिले सो बिफोर वी रीडिंग द बुक आंसर सम प्रिलिमिनरी क्वेश्चंस ओके प्रथम देखा आम लीडिंग किसी प्रश्न रही आम सारीदे ठीक अच्छे ना चलो थिंक अबाउट सम ग्रेटेस्ट पर्सन ऑफ आवर कंट्री हु हैव मेड आवर नेशन प्राउड किए हो पिले आम देशर किसी महान व्यक्ति नाम को जी कि आम देश को गर्वित कर प्रथम हो किए महात्मा गांधी जवाहरलाल नेहरू सुभाष चंद्र बोस डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण एंड डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ठीक अच्छे ना नेक्स्ट प्रश्न हाउ डू यू रिमेंबर दिस ग्रेटेस्ट पर्सन लाइक महात्मा गांधी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू सुभाष चंद्र बोस सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण इटीसी आम किपरि आम स्मरण करूँ किपरि स्मरण करूँ वी रिमेंबर देम फॉर देयर ग्रेटेस्ट वर्क सैक्रिफाइस एंड सर्विस टू द नेशन बुझे ना पे आम महान कार्यपाई त्यागपाई और देशर सेवा करथिबा हेतु आम स्मरण करुछु ठीक अच्छे ना नेक्स्ट कैन यू से हु रिमेंबर एज द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया एंड व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट हिम आम कहीपर किए भारतर मिसाइल मैन बोली आम स्मरण करुछु से विषय आपण मैंने किसी कहीपर कि So, we remember Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam as the missile man of India. He was a great scientist and the 11th president of India. He worked in India's space and military program. ठीक है ना पिलाने चलो तो एबे देखिबा हमरो टेक्स्ट को ओके सो लेट्स लुक एट द टेक्स्ट एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर ओके प्रथम पैराग्राफ को पढ़ी नबा तापर जाइकरी लाइन बाय लाइन ताको बुझाइबा ओके सो वी विल रीड द पैराग्राफ फर्स्ट एंड देन एक्सप्लेन इट लाइन बाय लाइन लिसन Abul Fakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam, better known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was one of the most distinguished scientists of India, as he was intimately involved in a civilian space program and military missile development efforts. He came to be known as the Missile Man of India. In 2002, he was elected as the 11th President of India and widely referred to as People's President. Next paragraph. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931. In a Tamil Muslim family at Rameshwaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father name was Jalaluddin, was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His mother Asiamma was a housewife and his father owned ferry that took Hindu pilgrim back and forth between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. His ancestor has been wealthy traders and landowners, but in his course of time, the family fell on hard time and lost their properties. Even their ancestral home had, by his early childhood, the family had already become poor. Kalam had to sell newspaper to supplement his family's income. Kalam started his elementary education at Ramnathpuram. He had a science teacher named Siva Subramaniam Iyer, who was very loving and affectionate. He always inspired Kalam to develop his skill so that he could compete with highly educated peoples in big cities. Once he invited the boy for a meal, which his wife disliked and refused to serve a Muslim child like him. His teacher himself served Kalam, whilst he watched them eat behind the kitchen door. But his behavior, way of taking the meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitude. When the teacher invited Kalam for the second time, his wife welcomed him and served him food herself. तो पिलाने चलो ए लाइन बाय लाइन करके पैराग्राफ को बुझा केते सब कठिन हार्डवर्ड अच्छी निज खातार नोट डाउन करदे ठीक अच्छे ना चलो तो देख पे अबुल फकीर जलालुद्दीन अब्दुल कलाम बेटर नोन एज डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम was one of the most distinguished scientists of India. It means Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a very great and famous scientist of India. APJ Abdul Kalam कौन थे भारतर गोटे सम्मानित और प्रसिद्ध वैज्ञानिक से थिले ठीक अच्छे ना एठार किसी हार्डवर्ड रही पे लिखिनिय डिस्टिंग्विश्ड मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर was a distinguished poet of India. It means very respected and famous person. Distinguished प्रसिद्ध बा सम्मानित ठीक अच्छे ना नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट मीन्स For example, C.V. Raman was a great Indian scientist. It means Boiganiko, a person who studies science. As he intimately involved in a civilian space program and military missiles development and military missile development efforts, he became to known as the Missile Man of India. He worked very closely in India's space program and making missile for the army. So people called him the Missile Man of India. ସେ ଭାରତର ସାଧାରଣ ଆନ୍ତରିକ୍ଷ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଓ ସେନା ପାଇଁ କ୍ଷେପଣାସ୍ତ୍ର ତିଆରିରେ ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ସେ ଜଡ଼ିତ ଥିଲେ, ସେଠାରେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଲୋକମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହୁଥିଲେ, ଯାହାର ନାଁ ଥିଲା କ'ଣ, ଭାରତର ମିସାଇଲ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ବୋଲି ତାଙ୍କୁ କହୁଥିଲେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା? ଦେଖ କିଛି ହାର୍ଡ ୱାର୍ଡ ରହିଛି ପିଲେ ଲେଖିନିଅ। ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟଲି ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ, ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ସି ୱାଜ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟିମେଟଲି ଇନଭଲ୍ଭ ଇନ୍ ଦି ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ୱାର୍କ। ଇଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ତାମାନେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା, ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ଜଡ଼ିତ, closely connected. Civilian means, for example, the new train service is for civilians use. ता माने कौन है पिले, साधारण व्यक्ति, not a military, for common people, साधारण। Next, missile. What is the meaning of missile? For example, India tested a new missile successfully, a weapon that fires to a target बा क्षेपणास्त्र। ठीक अछि ना? Next, in 2002 he was elected as the 11th president of India and widely refers to as the people's president. In 2002 Kalam became the 11th president of India, okay, and people's lovingly called as the people's president. से 2002 मसीह कौन करते से भारतर 11तम राष्ट्रपति रूपे से विवेचित हेले बा निर्वाचित हेले और तापरे से जनता राष्ट्रपति बोली प्रसिद्ध मध्य होइथिले। ठीक अच्छे ना? नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ 2 बुझीगला पे मैंने देखो। नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 15 October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family at Rameshwaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. It means Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. ठीक अच्छे ना पिला मैंने से केउठारे जन्म होइतिले 15 October 1931 तामिलनाडु रामेश्वर थिबा गोटे तामिल मुस्लिम परिवार से जन्मग्रहण करथिले। ठीक अच्छे ना? देख कि हार्डवर्ड एठार किसी रही अछि, एठार किसी हार्डवर्ड रही अछि पिले लिखिनियो। बॉर्न मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल महात्मा गांधी वाज बॉर्न इन 1869। इट मीन्स टू कम इनटू लाइफ, जन्म नेइथिले। ठीक अच्छे। नेक्स्ट, फैमिली। For example, my family lives in Odisha. What is the meaning of family? Group of parents and children living with together. Poribaro. ठीक है ना? Next, his father Jalaluddin was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque. His Kalam's father Jalaluddin owned a boat and was the imam or prayers leader of a mosque. तांकर पिताଙ୍କ नाम कोन थिले बिले? जलालुद्दीन। से गुटे नाउरी थिले बा नाउरीर मालिक थिले ओ स्थानीय मस्जिद इमाम रो से पुजारी मध्य थिले। ठीक अच्छे। कि हार्डवर्ड रही पिले लिखि दियो। ओनर। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ओनर? फॉर एग्जांपल, ही इज द ओनर ऑफ द शॉप, ए पर्सन हु वाज समथिंग बा मालिक। ओडिया रे कोन कहबा पिले? मालिक। ठीक अच्छे ना? नेक्स्ट, इमाम। What is the meaning of imam? Imam, for example, the imam led the Friday prayer in the mosque. Leader of prayers in a mosque. Masjid ro pradhana vyakti. Next, mosque. What is the meaning of mosque? For example, the big mosque is near the market. Means place where Muslim prayer. Masjid. His mother Asiyama was a housewife. His father owned a ferry that took Hindi pilgrim back and forth between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. So it means his father, Kalam's father, had a ferry or boat that carry Hindu pilgrims between Rameshwaram and Dhanuskodi. ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଡଙ୍ଗା ଥିଲା ଯାହା ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ? ହିନ୍ଦୁ ତୀର୍ଥଯାତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ରାମେଶ୍ୱରମରୁ ଧନୁଷ୍କୋଡ଼ି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଓ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଫେରାଇ ଆଣୁଥିଲେ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୁଲେଇ ନେଉଥିଲେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା? ଦେଖ ପିଲେ ଏଠାରେ କିଛି ହାର୍ଡୱାର୍ଡ ରହିଛି ଯାହାକି ଲେଖ। ଫେରି। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ମିନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଫେରି? ଫେରି ମିନ୍ସ ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍, we cross the river by ferry. We cross the river by ferry. It means a boat used to carry peoples across the water. Ba nauko, ba jano, ba donga. ठीक है ना? Next, pilgrim. What is the meaning of pilgrim? Pilgrim means, for example, many pilgrims visit Puri every year. Religious travels going to a holy place. Ba tirtha jatri. ठीक अच्छे ना नेक्स्ट बैक एंड फोर्थ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बैक एंड फोर्थ फॉर एग्जांपल द बॉस गोइंग बैक एंड फोर्थ फ्रॉम द स्टेशन टू द विलेज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बैक एंड फोर्थ मीन्स मूविंग बिटवीन टू प्लेस ओके आग पछ होई जिबा आसिबा करिबा सो कलाम वाज द यंगेस्ट ऑफ 4 ब्रदर एंड 1 सिस्टर ऑफ हिज फैमिली इट मीन्स कलाम वाज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन Kalam was the smallest child in his family. He had 4 brother and 1 sister. Okay? कलाम तांको परिवार सबुठारु छोट थिले और तांकर 4 भाई और गोटिए भौणी मध्य थिले ठीक अछि ना youngest so what is the meaning of youngest means for example she is the youngest in our class so what is the meaning of youngest the smallest in age सबुठारु छोट जिए ठीक अछि ना Next, his ancestral had been a wealthy traders and landowner. It means his forefather was rich businessman and landowner also. बुझिलना पिला माने तांकर पूर्वज माने बहुत धनी व्यवसायी थिले ता सहित जमीर मालिक मध्य थिले एठरे कि हार्ड वर्ड रहिछि पिले देखो ancestors means for example our ancestors live in village. Ancestor means peoples in your family who live a long time ago. पूर्वज माने ठीक अछि ना wealthy what is the meaning of wealthy means for example the man is wealthy because he has many horses it means very rich but dhani ठीक अछि ना next traders what is the meaning of traders for example the traders sell rice in the market so what is the meaning of traders the people who buy and sell goods व्यवसायी ठीक अछि ना landowner means it means the landowner gave him land for farming. What is the meaning of landowner? Peoples who own land but jomiro maliko. ठीक अछि ना? But in course of time, family fell on hard time and lost their properties, even their ancestral home. It means after some years, the family become very poor and lost their land and even their old family house also. किंतु समय बीतिबा सहित परिवार गरीब होई पड़िला ओ से संपत्ति सहित पूर्वजनक जिते भी सब घर गुड़िक से घर गुड़िक मध्य से हराई बसी ठीक अच्छे ना चलो कि हार्डवर्ड रही पिले लिखि दियो इन कोर्स ऑफ टाइम इट मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल इन कोर्स ऑफ टाइम द ट्रीज ग्रो बिग व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इन कोर्स ऑफ टाइम इट मीन्स आफ्टर मेनी इयर्स और स्लोली समय बीतवा परे ठीक अच्छे ना नेक्स्ट फेल ऑन हार्ड टाइम It means, for example, the farmer fell on hard time after the flood. What is the meaning of fell on hard time? Become very poor, but garibo hoi jiba. Then next, properties. What is the meaning of properties? For example, he sold his properties to pay debt. So, properties means land, house, or things that people's own. But sampatti. Next, ancestral house. It means, for example, they live in their ancestral home in the village. It means the old family house of forefather means पूर्वजन मानकर घर ठीक अछि ना next by his early childhood the family had already become poor Kalam had sell newspaper to supplement his family's income it means when Kalam was a small child his family was already poor so he had sold newspaper or sell newspaper to help earn money for his family ओके छोट थिबा समय रे परिवार गरीब होइथिला तेणु कलाम संवादपत्र बिकी थांती और परिवार आय को से संभाळु थांती बुझियला पिला माने नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ कलाम स्टार्टेड हिज एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन एट रामनाथपुरम सो कलाम बिगेन हिज अर्ली चाइल्डहुड और अर्ली स्कूलिंग इन रामनाथपुरम कलाम बिगेन हिज अर्ली स्कूलिंग इन रामनाथपुरम ओके तांकर प्राथमिक शिक्षा केउठारे से प्रारंभ करथिले रामनाथपुरम रे स्टार्ट करथिले बा प्रारंभ करथिले एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन इट मींस फॉर एग्जांपल चिल्ड्रन गेट हिज एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन इन द विलेज स्कूल सो एलिमेंटरी एजुकेशन मींस प्राथमिक शिक्षा बेसिक्स और प्राइमरी स्कूलिंग ठीक अछि ना next he had a science teacher named Siva Subramaniam Iyer who was loving and affectionate it means his science teacher Kalam science teacher name was Siva Subramaniam Iyer ठीक अछि ना Siva Subramaniam Iyer who was very kind and caring also तांकर विज्ञान शिक्षक कहार विज्ञान शिक्षक कलाम कर विज्ञान शिक्षक से थिले कोन शिवा सुब्रमण्यम अय्यर तांकर ना से बहुत स्नेहशील थिले लविंग स्नेहशील थिले और ता सहित से दयालु भाव मध्य तांकर मन रे थिला ठीक अच्छे ना देख पिले affectionate. So what is the meaning of affectionate? For example, the mother is very affectionate to her child. It means showing love and care. स्नेहशील भाव जताइवा ठीक अच्छे ना. He always inspired Kalam to develop his skills so that he could compete with highly educated peoples in a big cities. So the teacher always motivate Kalam. The science teacher always motivate Kalam to improve his ability so that he could compete or so that he could stand equal with educated people in a big cities बड़ बड़ सहर मानक ठीक अच्छे ना देख पिले से कलाम को प्रेरणा दौले जहाँद्वारा से निजर दक्षता विकास करेंगे ता सहित से जितेबले बड़ सहर को जीवे बा शिक्षित लोक मान सहित जितेबले शिक्षित लोक मान सहित से प्रतियोगिता सेठारे करें ठीक अच्छे ना किसी हार्ड वर्ड रही पे लिखिनियो इंस्पायर्ड. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंस्पायर्ड? फॉर एग्जांपल, the story inspired me to work hard. Inspired means encourage or gave motivate prerana deba. Then next, develop. Develop means, for example, child should develop good habits. It means to improve or grow. विकास करिवा ठीक अछि ना. Next, skills. Skill means, for example, she had good drawing skills. It means ability or talent बा दक्षता. Next, compete. Compete means, for example, student compete in sports events. It means try to be equal or better प्रतियोगिता करिवा. Highly educated. It means highly educated peoples obtain work in universities. Means well, very well educated or with much knowledge. अधिक शिक्षित ठीक अछि ना. Next, once he invited the boy for a meal, which his wife disliked, refused and served a Muslim child like him. Means one day the teacher, the Siba Subramaniam Iyer, invited Kalam to his home for lunch, but his wife did not like it and refused to give food to a Muslim boy or Muslim child. गोटे दिन कलामकर शिक्षक तांको घर को भोजन पर आमंत्रण कले किंतु तांकर स्त्री तांको नापसंद कले कहीं ना से गोटे मुस्लिम छुआ होइथवा हेतु से खाद्य परिवेषण करने को मध्य तांकर स्त्री तांको देले नाही. किछि हार्ड वर्ड रही पिले देख. Invited. What is the meaning of invited? For example, I invited my friend to my birthday party. Invited means ask someone to come बा आमंत्रण करिवा. Next, meal. For example, rice and dal is my favorite meal. It means food eaten at more time. भोजन. Dislike. Dislike means, for example, she disliked this taste. She disliked the taste of bitter medicine. But do not like but नापसंद करिवा. Next, refused. For example, he refused to play in the rain. It means said no, not accepted or स्वीकार कले. Next, serve. For example, the waiter served tea for the guest. It means to give food or drink. खाद्य परिवेषण करिवा ठीक अछि ना. Next, his teacher himself served Kalam while he watched them eat from behind the kitchen door. It means the teacher himself, Siba Subramaniam Iyer, himself gave him food to Kalam, while his wife secretly watched them eating from the behind the kitchen door. Behind the kitchen door. Okay, तो देख पिले शिक्षक निजे कौन करेना कलाम को निज हाथ में खाद्य परिवेषण करने को देले. तांकर स्त्री जेतेबेले मना करदेले सेतेबेले तांकर स्त्री कौन करुथिले से रोसई घर पछपटे थिबा द्वार सम्मुखरे बा कबाट पाखरे से किछि हार्डवर्ड रही पिले देखि दियो. Behind. Example, the dog is behind the house. At the back of something. At the back of something. पछरु. Okay, next. But his behavior, way of taking meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitude. Her behavior, Subha Subramaniam Iyer wife's behavior, changed behavior. She saw how Kalam eat politely and cleaning the floor. It means कलाम जेतेबेले कलाम कर भल भाव में भोजन करवा और ता सहित माटी को परिष्कार करदेबा खाई सारिला परे ताकू पोछि देबा. तांकर स्त्री बा सुभा सुब्रमण्यम अय्यरकर स्त्रींकर व्यवहार ताकू देखिकी परिवर्तन हो जाइतिला. ठीक अछि ना. एठारे किछि हार्ड वर्ड रही पिले देखि दियो. वे. वे मीन्स, फॉर एग्जांपल, his way of solving problem is very smart. Means method or manner पद्धति बा भाव ठीक अछि ना. Next, meal. Meal means, for example, we had a healthy meal today. It means food or eaten at one time. Food eaten at one time means bhojana. Next, cleaning. Cleaning means, for example, she is cleaning in the room. She is cleaning the room. It means making something clean. परिष्कार करिदबा. ठीक अछि ना? Next, floor. Floor means, for example, the children washed the floor. The children washed the floor. It means ground or surface inside a room. ମାଟି ବା ଭିତ୍ତିମାଳ ବା ତଳ ପୃଷ୍ଠ. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା? Next, attitude. Attitude means, for example, his polite attitude helped his success. It means the way a person think or behavior, मनोभाव ବା व्यवहार. ठीक अछि ना? चलो पहले. When the teacher invite Kalam for the second time, his wife welcome him and serve him food herself. The next time the teacher asked Kalam to come home. His wife was kind at the time and gave him food herself. ବୁଝିଲା ପିଲାମାନେ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ଶିକ୍ଷକ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଥର ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଡାକିଲେ ସେହି ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? ତାଙ୍କର ୱାଇଫ୍ ନିଜେ ଆସିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ଘରକୁ ନିଜେ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କଲେ, ତା ସହିତ ବାଢ଼ିକିରି ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଲେ. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା? ତାଙ୍କୁ ପରିବେଷଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଜ ହାତରେ କରିକି ଦେଲେ. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି? ଏଠାରେ କିଛି ହାର୍ଡ଼ୱାର୍ଡ଼ ରହିଛି ପିଲାମାନେ, ତାକୁ ଲେଖିନିଅ. ୱେଲକମ୍ଡ. ଇଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ they welcomed the guest warmly. It means greeted someone kindly. Greeted someone kindly ବା ସ୍ୱାଗତ କଲେ. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି? Next, herself. It means, for example, she cooked the meal herself. Herself means did personally, ନିଜ ହାତରେ ତିଆରି କରିବା. ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ନା? ତ ଆମର ଏହି ତିନୋଟି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଆଜି ସରିଯାଇଛି. ତ ମିସାଇଲ୍ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଯଦି ଏହି ତିନୋଟି ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ କିଛି ଯଦି ଡାଉଟ୍ ରହିଛି ତେବେ ମୋତେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ମୋତେ ଜଣାଇଦେବେ. ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ତାକୁ ବୁଝାଇଦେବି. ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଛି ତେବେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେୟାର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଓ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିକି ଯଦି କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ ରହିଛି ତେବେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ମୋତେ ଜଣାଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ.